Navigating international payments from the UK to the Philippines. Let's dive into how you can potentially use GCash or find effective alternatives right here in the UK. First, the direct answer as of now, GCash is primarily for use within the Philippines, meaning you cannot directly register or top up your GCash account from the UK with a UK bank account or UK mobile number. However, for those already holding a GCash account registered in the Philippines, or if you have someone in the Philippines who can assist, there are ways to get funds into your GCash wallet for international payments. One common method is through remittance partners. Many Philippine remittance services operating in the UK allow you to send money directly to a GCash account. You'll typically need the recipient's GCash registered mobile number and full name. These services often allow you to fund your transfer using your UK debit card, bank transfer, or cash at their local branches across the UK. Simply search online for Send Money to GCash UK to find available providers. Alternatively, if you have family or friends in the Philippines with their own GCash accounts, they can conveniently receive funds via traditional remittance channels and then top up your GCash wallet for you from their end. When sending money, always compare exchange rates and transfer fees offered by different remittance services to ensure you get the best value for your international transactions. So, while direct-to-cash functionality from the UK is limited, by leveraging established remittance partners or the support of those back home, you can still effectively utilize your GCash for seamless international payments and transactions.